do not change the combination. Just because you think it's too fast, you do it slow. It's combination too slow, you do it faster. Not now, not the first year, not the second year, actually not never in a professional environment. Okay? Always, always finish the class. Don't take a bar and leave just because other people do it. You're not the other people. Finish the class, even if the class only, you're the only person left. People leave for various reasons. So from day one, you want to give the company an impression of you're disciplined, you're committed, and you organize yourself well. Body and mind. There's no reason for you not to finish the class. There's no reason. Unless there is a conflict, unless you have a photo shoot or fitting or anything like that, that's a whole other issue. But if there's no reason just because other people left, and you say, you know what, I'm gonna go too, just because other people leaving, I see people leaving all the time. No, you don't do it. Because in that environment, a lot of people, their technical ability are very similar, especially in quarter ballet. If you want to excel, if you want to break out of that rank, only way is to work harder and don't make mistakes other people do. That's the only way. Because everybody wants to do great roles. Everybody wants to go to advance in the next rank. But how do you do it? Is work harder than other people and don't make the same mistake as other people. Invest more, commit more, just do more, do better, more excellent. That's how you make a progress. You don't make progress to be one of the other, to be one of the 20.